Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum friends, my name is Suhail Ahmed and welcome back to our YouTube channel SLS tutorial. In today's video we learn about how to configure DHCP on Cisco Packet Tracer. But still, if you have not subscribed my channel, kindly subscribe my channel and also click on the bell icon so you can get notification of every new video. Full form of DHCP is Dynamic Host Configuration Protocol. We need this protocol to automatically assign the dynamic IP address to our end devices or servers. So let's start our DHCP configuration. Take a router from network devices and also switch from switch here. So then take a laptop or PC from end devices, one PC and one more PC or one laptop. I take laptop from here. For the connection, click on the connection cable. Because we are going to connect different devices, PC and switch, so we should choose copper straight through cable, or we can also choose automatically choose connection type. So click here and then click with switch. Now for PC you can check, click here and then desktop IP configuration. Here is not any IP address and we are not going to assign the IP address from here like the previous videos, but actually we want to assign the IP address to this PC or laptop from router. So click on router and then go to CLI. Then here the question is that would you like to enter the initial configuration dialog? No. Click right N, then press the enter. Here you are in the user mode, write config T, go for the configuration mode. Sorry, first go to enable mode. So then right here config T to go for the configuration mode. Now you can also change the host name if you want. So host name I take SLS. Here you can see SLS in place of router. So now first assign the IP address router interface. Let's check which interface is connected to switch. So minimize this and then click here red dot and then again click on router. So here gigabit Ethernet 0/0/0. So click here and then go to CLI. Now for the interface, right here int G 0/0/0, enter. Then here you can see that we are interface now, and then right here to assign the IP address, IP at 192.168.10.1. You can assign any IP address according to your choice. So then subnet mask 255.255.255.0, enter. So here assign the IP address successfully. By default router port are shut down, so we need to enter command no shutdown. So here you should write no sh, enter. Now the configuration is done for router and IP address is assigned successfully. Now end the configuration mode. Now let me check is the configuration port is correctly show or not. So right here sh for show, IP interface brief, br here br is brief, enter. And then here you can see that assigned successfully and the port is up here. Save this configuration for router. So right here WR, enter. So it means that configuration is saved successfully. Now we are going to configure the DHCP. Again go to the configuration mode, right here config T, enter. So we are in the configuration mode right now. Here you can see that so now the DHCP command is IP DHCP pool, and here you can write anything I just write for example ABC, and then here you can see that DHCP configuration. So it means we are inside the DHCP configuration right now. So now right here default router, and the IP address is 192.168.10.1. enter, and then the network IP is network 192.168.10.0, and subnet mask is 255.255.255.0. enter. Now end the process, write end, and then save the configuration, write WR, and you can see here building configuration. It means the configuration is saved right now. Minimize this, and let me check the laptop IP address or the PC IP address. Click here, go to IP desktop, and then IP configuration. Here you don't see any IP address, so to refresh this, click here DHCP. So here you can see that the IP address is assigned from router, and you can't change the IP address. Similarly, we go to check for laptop IP configuration, and then DHCP, wait here, and then you can see here 192.168.10.3. The laptop PC IP address is 10.2, and the laptop IP address is 10.3. So these IP address assigned automatically from router. Now this PC and laptop can communicate with each other. Let's check video message. Click on the video message, and then click on PC and then laptop, and then go to simulation, play, and then here you can see that the message is delivered from PC to laptop, and the acknowledgement message is also sent from laptop to toward PC. So here the acknowledgement is received. So this is a very small scenario, but now if you have a lot of computer in your company, you can assign IP address automatically using DHCP configuration. Remember that we can also access our router with our single PC or laptop using telnet configuration. If you don't know how to configure telnet on routers, see the link from description, or you can also check my video from above video card. Hope you can understand everything. If you like my video, kindly like the video, share with your friend, and also subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon so you can get notification of every new video. Take care. Allah Hafiz.